Hard case, real leather, vintage, original, very nice. Some other extras rather than the camera inside, but whoever buys the camera will see what's inside. Anyway, we're selling a camera, not a leather bag, although the bag is incredible. And here we have the great Nizo S 126. As you all know, Braun Nizos are one of the best Super 8 cameras. Really reliable, incredible lenses. Fully made in Germany. This is a Schneider-Kreuznach lens with a sunshade and a filter. As you can see, the lens is as brand new. Manual and automatic zoom, you'll see in a second, work great. Several frame rates, just incredible camera. Open the lid underneath. As you can see, really clean battery compartment. Put the batteries in. Follow the instructions on the side. If you don't know the way they go in, close it, spin that. Okay. Light meter works great, automatic and manual as well. Great. 18, 24. Single frame. The camera is in incredible condition. Zoom in, zoom out, incredibly clean lens. As you can see, this is just a beauty. Smooth, incredible. We always test the cameras with expired cartridges. They are hard to spin. We mark them. This is a Kodachrome 40 or so-called K40. As you can see, there is a mark. Put it in, close the lid, just a second, and voila, straight film, no mark, incredible. The camera is in great condition, is literally like brand new, very compact, great camera, is one of the best in my opinion. This is just the best of the best. The on-off button works as well, as you can see. Please like and subscribe. And do enjoy your new Super 8 camera.